You know it's gonna be a great day when you get to drive around this big ass Ford work van. Nothing better. Nah, I'm only kidding. This is my work vehicle. I gotta drive it around for a little bit. It's whatever. But we got a few things we could do today. I'm just letting this van warm up. It's fucking cold. But on the real, this thing actually really sucks driving around. It's like loud. There's so many tools back there. Fucking leather seats are like all torn up and shit. It sucks. Sitting in here letting the van warm up, I just noticed this 20th. It's a nice ass 20th. I've never seen that car here. I have no idea whose it is. Very clean. Looks like it's on air too. Let's go check it out actually. Might as well, you know, while this thing warms up. Damn, looks like they got only back here. Oh, and it's open. Shit. Nah, I'm only playing with you guys. This is actually my 20th. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, which I'll leave right up here, you would know I own this thing. If you follow my Snapchat, you would know I own this thing. I bought it a few months ago actually, and I'm just introducing it to the channel now. The reason I'm not driving it, it's having a small issue, and we'll get into that later in another video. And I got some plans for this car, a couple things we have to do, a couple things I want to do. So it should be like another small little build. It should definitely be fun. But yeah, this car's pretty dope. I have it aired. It is on bags. I have it aired up, kind of, in a way. The compressor took a shit on me. That's one of the reasons why I'm not driving right now. The compressor crapped out, so it kept popping the fuse, and I tried to keep it aired up, but like it sat for like a week, and as you can tell, really cold. The bag started to drop a little bit, but it's no big deal. Look, I got this beautiful ass work van over there. But anyway, I got some tickets to pay this morning. We're gonna go to Home Depot, pick up some gas for my heater. We're gonna go to the garage, clean it up, and get some work done on the car. Maybe put the seats in, maybe finish some things on the engine. I don't know, but definitely got a lot I could do. Definitely got a lot I could film. Let's get to that. So I just got done paying my $75 ticket for fucking having red lights in the front of my car. Fucking stupid. Now I'm gonna head to Home Depot, pick up some gas for my heater that I got in my garage, and we're gonna go head over there and start working. It is so cold out. I gotta turn that heater on before I do anything in this garage. But this is what we're working with today. Video number 629 of me cleaning my garage. Let's do it. Damn. Woo. Hour and a half later, we got a clean garage. Took way too long. Oh man, I hate doing this, and I say every time. I say that every time. Like, cleaning the garage is mad annoying. I have no idea how long it's gonna stay like this. It's probably gonna be like a week, whatever. As soon as I start working on this thing again, it's gonna be fucking messy as hell. But yeah, I put the seats in the car. Just they're not in. They're just placed in there. But damn, these things are gonna look so good in here. Obviously, that one's lower, has no brackets or anything, but damn, that's gonna be sick. So that's gonna be our install for later on in the day. That's awesome. Got the motor all covered up. We are clean as a whistle. So obviously, I'm in my room now. I just want to film this clip. I got a couple things I want to tell you, a couple things I want to explain, and we got to get everything sorted out so you guys are clear on what has to happen to get this car done, because that is happening soon. So first off, I've never really expected my channel to get this big. It's not that big at all, but dude, we're almost at like 6,000 subscribers, which is crazy to me. And the fact that like you guys stick along with me through like me not filming and me being a little patchy with me uploading my videos and the quality being down and the quality being up, it blows my mind that you guys still support me, and I am very grateful for that. Like, I really appreciate you guys for liking the videos. Like, we're getting over almost 100 something likes on videos. We're getting still over 1,000 views, and I haven't posted a video in like 3 or 4 months, so that means a lot to me. I really appreciate you guys. You guys do mean a lot. So I always told myself with a YouTube channel I wanted to create merch to like support my channel. I've had a lot of people ask me about it, so I feel like there is some interest there. So lately, the past few weeks, I've been putting in a lot of work, a lot of money, getting a sweet t-shirt design. Like, I'm trying to release a t-shirt for you guys that's not just gonna say Import Garage in bold text. Like, that's plain. That means nothing. I don't want to do that. That's boring. So I've hired professional graphic designers. I've got a printing company willing to work with me and print my t-shirts at the highest quality possible, so for you guys. So it's not like a plain t-shirt. It's got a sweet logo, it's got cool graphic design on the back, and it all has stuff to relate to my channel and my car. So look for that in the future. That's probably going to be coming out soon. And also leave your comments below if you guys are interested in buying one of those t-shirts. It's probably only going to be like $24. I'm not going to price it high. I'm going to make it nice for you guys. So leave your comments below if you want one, so I can get an idea on how many t-shirts I'm going to need to be ordering. I don't want to order too many and have them just sit in my room. So yeah, I'm not looking to profit any money off you guys. Like, the t-shirts, I got a quote for the t-shirt to be printed, and it's $20.99 per t-shirt for me to print. So every t-shirt that gets bought, I'm making $3. So that's not at all what I'm trying to do to you guys. And any money that I do make, I'll just put it right into the car, because that's where I feel like that money belongs. It's part of the channel. You guys support it. I'll put it right into the car just for you guys, so we can get more videos out, more work. So that's it with the t-shirts. Like I said, leave your comments below. Now let's get into the car. So you guys know, well, you guys don't know, the car is actually very, very close to being done. It might not look it, but it really is, and I'm going to explain that to you right now. So the car obviously needs to be painted, and before it needs to be painted, the bay needs to be finished. The bay is not far from being finished. I have like 1 or 2 things to be welded, a couple spots to be sanded. It's probably 1 day worth of work to get that bay 100%, and then that car is out for paint. And then when the car is out for paint, or when the car is back from paint, you saw my last video, the motor is almost ready to be dropped in. I need to obviously bolt up the turbo, put an oil pan on it, put my lines on it. Obviously, like a day's worth of work. There's nothing really big that has to go on there. So, like I said, I'm not far. Like, I just need to put the little puzzle pieces together and show smooth sailing from there. Obviously, I got my seats to put in. They're getting recovered. I got a steering wheel, harnesses, cage, everything. Plus, I got a couple things that I'm not telling you, surprises, because they're going to be unique to my car. I got a couple unique things going on in my car, which are going to be a surprise to you guys. Definitely going to be cool. And when the car is done and driving come springtime, that's my goal. It's not done. Like, I got so much more going on you guys don't even know about. Like, I'm talking, I've been thinking for the past like month, an all-wheel drive swap, standalone with the AEM digital dash. Fucking, dude, I got a lot of stuff I want to do to this car, so it's going to be a journey. And I also do plan, in the middle of all that, I don't know how it's going to happen, I plan on getting another project car for content for the YouTube videos, and that car is going to be more or less something that I want you guys more engaged with. So I'm going to do like a little poll and see what car. I'm going to put like 3 cars in. You guys are going to choose which one you'd rather see on the channel, and I'm going to do it. I feel like that'd be pretty cool. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and if you stuck around this long in the video, congratulations. You're the best. Anyway, I am doing a giveaway this spring. And it's not just no giveaway. I'm not giving away a gift card. I'm not giving away a car part. I'm giving away something huge. So you'll be able to find out about that soon when the t-shirt drops. I have a sick website in the process of being made. It's actually almost done. So when the t-shirt drops, you'll see the website and then you'll see the giveaway. So there's a lot of stuff to happen in the next couple months. So I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. But that's all I gotta say. Make it quick and easy. Don't want to drag this on the video. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, please still like it. Why would you dislike my video? Subscribe. It's like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do that. It's free. It doesn't hurt to push one button, and it makes me happy. I'm just kidding. But anyway, subscribe if you haven't done that. You're not going to want to miss any of this cool stuff I got going on. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.